Why do I start off laughing for no reason? But hi guys. Oh, Jesus, y'all. I'm so sorry I gotta see me like this. But I have no voice and I am running around doing some stuff before I go to work at 5:45. It's 2 something right now. I'm about to go get some hot chocolate and I kind of want to get some food, but low-key not right now. Probably like soon I'll go get some food because I really need to have some. Sorry, I was like dead focused, but which I should be, obviously. So yeah, my voice is gone. I don't know why. Like, I've been feeling like stuffy and stuff since my birthday, which sucks. But I need to do some stuff, so I need to go get a new pair of leggings, because the ones I have ripped, and like they were like a little ripped where like I can wear them. I hope y'all can hear me. So they were like a little tiny bit ripped, and then after checking, you know, I'm like, it's like so breezy right here, like it shouldn't be like this, you know, and it's only a little, no, that was really jumbled up, I'm sorry, but basically the hole got really big and I just need new leggings, and I gotta get gas. Oh great, like I gotta go put my own gas, which is more expensive now because in my last vlog I was telling y'all how I got my car checked and I can't use the regular gas. I gotta use the, I guess it's premium, I don't know, which is a little bit more, and I'm just like, whatever, as long as my car is fine. So after I get my hot chocolate, get some gas, I'm gonna go to the hair store because I need another wig. I need a new wig. My gray wig is probably officially retired. Storm is gone for a while. She might come back, just not with that wig. But I will definitely find time to review the wig. Just really sit down and gather all my thoughts. I mean, overall, on a scale from 1 to 10, I'll give it probably like a 6.5. A 6.5. Yeah. But I think I'm gonna stick to my curly wigs. This one is old, and of course, being scissor happy, I cut it, but I cut it incorrectly, so it has to go. But I'm not too upset that I messed it up because it was only $10. So I mean, I didn't really lose out on a lot. But yeah, and then the other wig I had, I just was like not feeling it. So that, and I think I lost it. Like, I don't know how I lose a wig, but I mean, it's somewhere in my room. I just don't know where right now. But I'm here at Tim Hortons and I'm about to get a hot chocolate and probably some Timbits. So I will talk to you guys later. So while Tim Hortons had me sitting at the speaker thing for like 10 minutes, like, okay, I'm dragging it. It wasn't 10 minutes, but it felt like it. And she's like, okay, you just hold for a minute. So I'm like, okay. And I held for a minute. And I held for a couple more. Well, I let 2 songs play, so that's about 6 to 8 minutes. Now I'm just sitting here, and we're looking at each other, and it's like, can I just have my sandwich and my drink so I can go? But let me see if I can get somebody attention, because I got stuff to do, and I want to take a nap before work. Yeah, I got my food for free. Ooh. It's too much light. I just got my food for free because I was sitting there mad fucking long. Oh, y'all, I didn't mean to cuss. I gotta block that out. Oh, jeez, that was like a real legit, like, cuss word. Like, I mean, yeah, that came out like, dang, like I really meant that. But I mean, I did, but still, God. But I'm about to go ahead. Got my food. I ended up getting a sandwich and iced coffee. Like, I just wanted that instead. I'm gonna go pump my gas. Then I'm gonna go to Walmart. Walmart and see if they have any like cheap leggings. And then I'm going to go get a wig. Actually, I can go to the place where I get my wigs from and get gas because it's like right there. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. So I have a little time to eat my sandwich on the way there, you know. So I'm gonna go to the hair store and then I'm gonna get gas. And then I may just hop back on the vlog. You know, I think I'm gonna try and vlog in Walmart today. Like I'm gonna try and take that step as a YouTuber and vlog like in public, like around a lot of people. And it's like, if they're looking at me and staring at me, I'm just put them on the vlog. No, that's rude. But I'm about to try and dig into the sandwich so I can, you know, be at least a little satisfied and full before I go in the store and try on wigs. Because you have to be in a good headspace when you go try on a wig. Like, you gotta make sure everything is right. And I try to go looking as decent and like cute as possible, I guess, because if I'm ugly and I put my wig on, I'm gonna be feeling like but if I'm kind of cute, you know, like decent looking in the world, at least have eyebrows somewhat filled in, like, you know, I can see potential. But I might see if I want to try something new today, but I don't know, we gonna see. We definitely gonna see. Go so I can go. But I don't got nothing to say right now. I'm about to just go. Y'all know what I'm about to do. And I'm gonna try and find new car insurance because these people are too high for me right now. They're way too high. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to find some car insurance people. And then I'm gonna call these people I got my car from because once again, there's a light on that shouldn't be on. But I think it's like something major because they told me about it before. So hopefully it's just that and I don't have to go all the way over there. But my dad's a mechanic, so I'm probably just going to have him do it. So, bye. Alright, y'all. So I went, got some gas. The tank is on F. The best feeling in the world, just not to my pockets. Went to the first wig store, well, hair store, whatever. They didn't have any that I liked, and it was like so cracked, packed and crowded in there. And it was just like, when I get a wig, I gotta be focused, man. Like all this talking and all that, man. Wigs is serious. Like I take my wig stuff serious. So I'm gonna just go to Walmart because it won't make sense for me to go all the way to another hair store just to come back over here and go to Walmart. I mean, there's a Walmart by the other wig store, but yeah, I just don't feel like going over there. I'm so sleepy. Like, I really want to take a whole nap, but it's already 3 something. I don't think I'm taking a nap today before I go to work, and I'm there until about 11. So we'll see how that works. Oh, that was I'm sorry for the bad angles I be giving y'all sometime. But I mean, hey, I'll get it together at some point. So came here to get some leggings, like just the simplest pair of leggings I can find. Hopefully it's like, you know, not over $10 because I'm really not trying to spend $10 on leggings. Like, but yeah, I'm here, and someone must have stole from here because there's like a lot of police. So I'm gonna talk to y'all later. All right, y'all. No leggings, no nothing at Walmart. I'm gonna try one more place, and if I don't find nothing there, I don't know what I'm about to put on for work because I ain't really bring nothing with me. So I mean, I have stuff. I think I should have like some jeans at home, but they just don't fit me. Like, and I'm tired of squeezing in them Johns. But did I say Johns? I said Johns. But I'm about to leave Walmart. I gotta be focused because Walmart parking lot be crazy. So I got focused. So I'm gonna talk to y'all when I can. But this lady got hit in the head with a box in Walmart. Like, what the heck? The cashier lady was like bringing the box like over her head and brought it to the floor and hit the lady, and the lady was looking like, and she looking like, and they just, I'm like, dang, Walmart don't give a dang about nothing. Y'all place is rude. Y'all place is ridiculous. How you gonna look at somebody like you want to fight them and you hit them with the box? They should have been fighting you. You gonna look at it, don't even say sorry, nothing. Oh my god. I'm about to go. Alright guys, so I found a wig but no leggings, so still gotta go somewhere for that. Gotta try to find some leggings somewhere right quick. I just put my hood up because it's cold. Shoot. It's so freaking cold. Now I'm stuck behind this truck thing. But it's like 4 or something. I gotta be at work at 5:55. So let's hope. Well, I mean, there's no reason for me not to be there on time. Like, honestly, I got my gas, got my little wig or whatever. I just gotta fix it. I don't know. I just gotta apply it or whatever and make it more like, I don't know. This is my first time having a wig like this. Well, second like lace frontal type wig. Where am I going? This is like my second like lace type wig, and then I'm gonna just talk to y'all in a minute because I'm like so zoned out. I'm like thinking of how I'm gonna do this wig and stuff and where I'm gonna get some leggings from right quick. So I'm gonna just see y'all in a little bit. Alright y'all, I'm sorry because I know it's dark, but I'm on my way to work right now. So I went and got a wig. It was like, the one I tried on was like really nice and stuff, but the one I got was kind of like, like, I kind of wish I didn't get it, but I was playing around with it, and during my time of rushing to get ready for work, I found my other wig, and I'm just like, okay, I'm gonna throw this on because I really don't want to wear this, so I might just wear that tomorrow for New Year's. That way I have like the day to like customize it and all that. And the word cut came in my head, like about cutting the wig. Y'all, it's just so dark. I really don't want to put y'all through this, so I'm gonna talk to y'all later on, like when I get in the house or at work or something. Bye. Alright guys, so it's still a little dark, but I'm gonna just end the vlog here. I'm out of work, it's a snowstorm, and I'm gonna just end the vlog. Like I said, wow, I can never just stop talking sometimes. But yeah, it's like snowing. Like, I don't know if I can really see that much, but it snowed, and yeah, the roads haven't been plowed yet. It's just crazy, and I'm about to just get some hot chocolate, which I know is my thing, and if you don't, then you should know. But I'm gonna get some hot chocolate and then watch some movies, because yeah, it's just one of those nights, man. I really want to leave upstate New York so bad. The snow is bad, but if you leave from here, then it's like you have to deal with stuff in other states. Like down south is hot, and then you got their bugs that are bigger than you when they fly. I don't have time for that either. But yeah, I'm trying to remember what I was gonna tell you guys earlier, but I couldn't. I don't know what I was about to say to y'all, but hopefully I remember soon while I got you here. And then I just said I was gonna end the vlog. Now all of a sudden I have a whole conversation to tell y'all. But I got a wig. I'm not too hype about it. And then I got scissor happy with it. So now I have to find a way to make it cute. So I'm gonna be up all night watching videos about that. Like on how to fix wigs and stuff like that. Going blank because I'm like focusing. So thank you guys for watching. stuff like that. A lot of you guys DM me and was asking about like my wigs and stuff like that. So we're gonna have a wig talk. I might film that tomorrow. Even though tomorrow is New Year's Eve, but like no one really does anything during the day. So I think I'm gonna film a couple content videos. I'm gonna just get everything situated for that. Try to figure out what I want to do for an intro, because y'all, 2017 is about to be over and I need a poppin' new intro. Like, I don't know, y'all, but I do know that I'm gonna get off this camera, edit this vlog, and have it up for y'all so y'all can watch it, you know, whatever. So love you guys, and I will see you guys tomorrow. So I forgot to tell y'all, somebody slid into the back of my dang on car. It didn't damage or anything because I moved up, but still, when I heard the noise, I was like, are you serious? That's what I wanted to tell y'all. So bye again.